Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be showing you how to create this super easy and super fun, super simple eye look. I use some of the Profusion palettes, the Wanderlust palette and the Metallics palette. So if you want to see how I achieve this look, keep on watching. Okay guys, so I have my face, my foundation on, and my eyebrows are done. So this is just going to be a very quick eye tutorial, and I'm going to be using the Metallics from Profusion that I am so in love with, and a little bit of the Wanderlust right here. These are so beautiful. Love these colors. Okay, so first I'm going to prime my eyelids, and I'm going to be using the Maybelline Age Rewind concealer. Light, very light yellowish color right here from the Wanderlust. This is called Tranquil. And I'm just going to set it with this brush all over the lid. And the lid is going to be very soft, very not dramatic as I usually go for, because we're going to do the dramatic eye effect is going to go on the lower lash right here. So everything else is just going to be very neutral, I think. And I'm going to use the bronzer as an eyebrow, not as an eyebrow. I'm going to use this bronzer, the Physicians Formula Butter Bronzer, as an eyeshadow because it's so creamy and it's so blendable. And I feel like it just works better than the brown eyeshadows that I have. And I'm just going to grab this brush right here and just go all like basically start at the corner right here and move upwards. Alright, as you can see, it's very soft because I don't want anything too dramatic, like I said earlier. So we're just gonna leave it as is, just to add, you know, a little bit of color to the eyelid. Alright, and then I'm going to add a little bit of shimmer, of course, and I'm going to be using this one right here, very beautiful gold. This is called Mic Drop, and I'm just going to use my finger to grab some and then put it right on the lid. Such a beautiful gold, kind of bronzy color going on. You can always use a brush as well, and if you want a more dramatic look, you can always wet the brush. You can, you know, wet your finger. Alright, so now for the fun part. I'm going to be using a Sephora brand eyeliner. This is in the color Indulge Yourself, and it's a beautiful green. It almost has like, put some right here actually. It has like a shimmery, glittery thing going on. It's very beautiful. So I'm going to use this for my waterline. Alright, and then from this palette, I'm going to grab this beautiful green right here. This is called Hypnotic. And with a smaller brush, I'm just going to grab some and blend everything. And then I'm just gonna grab like a lighter green, and I don't have a lighter green in this palette, but I'm gonna grab the NYX Ultimate eyeshadow palette, and I'm gonna go in with this one right here with the same brush, and just gonna go right under it and just blend everything. Actually, you know what, I'm gonna mix this two right here, so I'm gonna go in like this and like that. Alright, and then for the inner corner, I'm grabbing this one right here. How do you pronounce this? Geode? I don't know, you guys. But this one right here. And I'm just gonna grab a very small brush like so, and I am gonna spray it just to add a little bit more like a metallic color, even though it already is metallic. Just right here in the corner. So I'm just gonna go in with this darker brown right here, and I'm just gonna line my upper lid like so. And if it gets on your face, which sometimes it will, just grab a brush and just wipe it away. Like so. Okay guys, so now I'm gonna add mascara and I'm gonna add some eyelashes, and I'll be right back. So I have eyelashes on, and now I'm gonna do the rest of my face. I already added a little bit of bronzer to my face, not a lot. And for blush, I'm gonna use the Milani Baked blush. This is called the Rose de Oro. And just smile pretty like this. I forgot how much I like this. Oh my gosh, what is that? I actually had this blush for a while now, and obviously I have used it in the past, but I forgot how pretty it is. Look at that. It has like a hint of shimmer. Not too much though. I usually don't like shimmery blushes. I go for mattes, but I like this. I like it a lot. Alright, so that's enough for that. I'm not gonna use highlighter because, you know, it already has a sheen, but I am gonna highlight my brow bone. I'm gonna use this illusion right here from the Wanderlust, and just oh my gosh, that is very intense. I didn't think it was gonna be that intense. You know what? I don't want that because I thought it was gonna be more like a golden shimmery, but let's go in with this one right here. This is a more golden one. Yeah, that's better. Lipstick, I'm gonna use the Milani again. This is Tropical Nude. I just love the way they smell. It smells so good. I'm gonna line my lips with this NYX lip liner. This is Free Spirit. not done yet. I am gonna use this another Milani. This is the Keep It Full lip gloss, and this is like a plump lipstick lip gloss. I'm sorry, like a plumper lip gloss, and it has like a minty tingly sensation on your lips, but it's not as intense as other lip glosses. Oh, it's so pretty. All right, so for setting spray, I'm gonna use the Wet n Wild Mega Glow. The very last step I do is add mascara to the lower lashes, just because if I do it before the setting spray, I know it's gonna get all over my face. So this is the last step I'm gonna do. Alright guys, so that is the finished look. It's super easy, super simple, but it's very very summery, like a pop of color. Like you can do any kind of color you want. I wanted to do green because I don't really do a lot of green makeup looks, and I just thought it would be very fun and, you know, colorful. So this is it guys. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and give me a thumbs up, and I'll see you guys on my next video. Bye.